In the engineering industry, joining of different types of metals is needed to make various parts having different shapes. These parts have to be joined to make them strong and permanent. Welding is a method of joining metals permanently. But welding is just one of the processes for joining two metals. There are many other types of joining processes such as brazing, adhesive bonding, welding, soldering, and riveting. Under welding, there are many processes such as resistance welding, arc welding, solid-state welding, and gas thermit welding. Arc welding processes is the most widely used in welding. It uses electric energy source for producing heat. The processes used under this are shielded metal arc, gas metal arc, gas tungsten arc, plasma arc, electrogas, flux cored arc, and submerged arc. Let us learn about the welding process in detail.